to open your wind spinner. They ship nicely flat, but in order to put it outside to spin, we want to make it a little bit more exciting than that. So you hold it flat on a table or a hard surface, and you begin by gently pulling up. So starting on the outer ring, apply pressure with your left hand and pull this up. And then you can pull the next one. You can rearrange them once you get them all opened, because you do want them to be evenly spaced out. So again, I'm going to move it a little further. They're not that fragile, so it's not like you have a big problem with it. See how it's like that? Next, you're going to turn it over so that you can do the same thing going the other direction. Bend it up. Your one hand should hold it down firmly. And again, once you have it, you can move them further to evenly space them out. So when you are finished, your wind spinner should look like this.